Welcome to another episode of our series on financial self-sufficiency through backyard gardening. I am Bosoka, and today I'll be showing you how we are going to transplant our 4 weeks old tomatoes, bell pepper, and cabbage. We'll be planting the cabbage and the bell pepper on some of these beds that we've done nicely, and we'll be transplanting the tomato drip irrigation farmhouse, which we will show you in a jiffy. You can see this is the 4 weeks old cabbage. It's ready to be transplanted because you can see normally when you have like at least 3 leaves on it, is ready, and this one we have a lot of leaves. Ready for transplanting. Same apply to the pepper too. That one too, we have more than 3 leaves. That shows that they are ready for transplanting. And if you look at something, you can see that it's wet, because normally before a transplant you have to at least water it so that you can remove it easily and then transplant it into the soil. And then this is the tomatoes. Growing nicely, 4 weeks old, and we'll be transplanting it very soon. See, this is how we'll be transplanting the tomatoes. So I have 2 sets of places. You can see one of them, I have the sun shade. Prevented 100% direct sun onto the plant, and here I have 100% sun. I'm trying to see which of them will give me more yields than the other. So I have 2 separate places that I'll be planting, and you can see some pipes here. We call it a drip irrigation. So I want all the plants to get the same quantity of water at any particular given point in time. So that's why I'm using the drip irrigation, and it's semi-automated. So I just need to come and turn on the knob here, and the water will start dripping. We have to plant on where the drip lines are, where the water will be coming from. Yes, so you can see, so this is the first one, but we'll not plant anything here. So we'll start the planting from here, and then the next planting will be here. So this is like a locker. So I'm planting it deep so that I can get the stems very firm. So we are going to plant the bell pepper and then the cabbage. Before I plant, I need to loosen the soil so that when I water, the water can stay. So for the cabbage too, I'm leaving like 1 foot inch. Sorry, 1 foot each between them. We have successfully transplanted the seedlings, and with the drip irrigation system we have in place, we should be expecting a good growth in our seedling for the next few weeks. Stay tuned for more videos on financial self-sufficiency through backyard gardening and tips on how to better your small vegetable farming.